Ahem. Welcome to another session hosted by yours truly, Mac, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up these quick reminders in here that this is not a signal stream. If you're looking for signals, then go ahead and click the X button. We'll be looking for basic setups for mainly Gbp Jpy and XAU USD, so gold and GJ, and also AUD USD. If the setup presents, then yes, we could go ahead and take a trade. If it doesn't, then it will be a character building day, like Rahul likes to say. For now, I'm just waiting until 7:30 since my spreads are still a little higher than normal. But we should be good to go soon. Still got what? Okay, 12 minutes. So just be ready, and I'll be right back with you guys, setting up the charts here. I'm, I think honestly, I would like to see gold making a better move. The reason why I'm starting at 7:30 today is because I want to extend the how do you call it, the stream until 9:30 to see the Shanghai Stock Exchange open, which can give us a lot more volatility, and that would be very clutch. So we could stream until 10 basically. So let me set up this. And I hope everyone's doing okay. So just waiting for people here from the zone to log in. Just give me 1 second. Just sending the link, and I'll just get back to you guys. Share the screen here. Trader 4.
Yo, Mack. Yo, Macedonian. Hey, how you doing? Yo, Mack, you here?
Alright, so it's about to be 7:30. Oh, we still got 6 minutes.
Yo, where did you just come from?
From the bathroom.
Oh, where were you? Okay, what's up, bro?
What's up, doggy? Got my boy
Oh, you
Gbp
started at
here.
7:30.
Yeah, man. The thing is that I'm gonna try to extend it till 10 so we can see the Shanghai Stock Exchange open. Get this extra 30 minutes from 9:30 to 10 Eastern. So I think it's better that way.
Okay, I'll come back. I'll come back for like 20, 30 minutes then.
Yeah, take your time.
Alright, bro.
Alright, so let me go ahead. Oh, the stream sounds robotic. Oh shit, my bad. Maybe I gotta change this on here. Sounds better now? Better? Good, good. Alright, so I think it sounds better now, right? Yeah, I don't want to put on headsets. Fuck that. Alright, so guys, let's go ahead and do the same thing we always do on Gbp Jpy on GJ. So we're gonna do a breakdown from the high time frames down to the lower time frames and take it from there. So the audio is good. Jasmine sounds the same. Good. That sounds so good. Whoa, what do you mean that sounds so good? Okay, I sound good. That's good. So let's go ahead and close this. Beautiful picture. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the weekly, right? See what's going on with GJ. Let me take this up. This is something that a lot of people need to know. Um, basic session times, quarter points or PPLs, um, stops for GJ as well as gold. Really not that important, but this is what I mainly do. I go into the high time frames, HCF. So I look into the weekly, maybe the monthly, as well as the daily and the 4 hour to look for trend, see how the trend is acting. If it's bullish, bearish, and from there we kind of see if it's best to take a buy or a sell. You know, what are the probabilities? So anyway, let's go ahead and look for the weekly, see what's going on here. I know there's a lot of lines drawn in here, so what I could do is change this to a chart with no lines. So let me just blank it up here. So there's some echoing going on. I fucking hate that shit. Give me 1 second, I'm about to kick somebody up fucking Zoom. Come on, man, fucking mute yourself.
It's better if we mute everybody.
Yeah, I'm about to fucking do that. Fuck.
It's not good.
Jesus Christ.
Lula's coming from Joey's mouth, bro.
Joey? Alright, Joey's getting the fuck out of here then.
I feel like it was Joey's mouth.
No, I'm fucking. I'm playing. He's not getting that, but he's gonna get muted. Muted. Alright, it's better now. Okay, so weekly on GJ, this was our previous resistance at 153 basically, so we broke out of it. Now we're currently at 153,500. Next resistance on the weekly will be 156,300. So there's a 300 pip range here. So, you know, it gives us a lot of room to scalp. Basically, take small pieces of the pie, right? Let's go down to the daily, see if we can spot maybe higher highs, higher lows, some market structure to make it easier for us, right? All right, so coming down from here, let's go back to beginning of March, right? So we had this support created here. Go ahead and move this up here. Strong as support. Matt rejection down to 147. Basically, we can say that this was the first low, and from here, going up here created the first high, right? Down low, making this what? A higher high, a higher low, and this will be what? A higher high. Going up here, another higher high, and going down here, another higher low. Support, some little consolidation going on here, failed to break above that area, massive rejection, down to this support again, and now we started to come above this area as we broke that previous resistance, creating a new high, and now we're stuck in this place here, right? So this is what happened during the weekend. So this is May, let's see, what date is May 10th, from May 7th to May 10th. So during that weekend, we had that that breakout from that resistance at 152 flat, which was very strong at that point. I believe for the past weekend, so we failed to break that area. You know, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even more than that. So basically about 2 weeks to failure to break up of 152 flat, and now we had that massive. Alright, I feel fucking disrespected right now. Fuck. Yeah. And the funny thing is that I can't even open Zoom for some reason. I just gotta mute everyone. Alright. Anyway, let's go back here. Let me just put this down here. And whoever the fuck's, I mean, if you want to go ahead and unmute yourself, it's good, but just don't be, you know, saying dumb shit. I don't want to hear no echoing. So next time I'll kick you out, and if you want to come back in, just ask me. Alright, so during the weekend, it looks like we broke above 152 flat. Now, I believe on Monday, between Asian Open on Sunday night, which will be Monday for the Asian markets, we had that breakout from 152 up to 153. Actually, 153,500. So that 140 pip move was very good. So we could go back and see onto the 4 hour if we can go ahead and get some rejection down here, maybe create some new support for a new low maybe, and a continuation up to create a new high. So simple market structure, which I tend to follow a lot. Oops, this would be a higher high. This would be a higher low down here, and higher high, and a higher low. So probably retest that resistance, and then a continuation up to 156, which is the next zone that I have drawn out on the higher time frames. Just 156, 300, 400. And now we can go into the 4 hour and see what's going on here. A lot of consolidation. I believe the move for this week at maybe already it kind of happened during the Asian Open on Sunday, right? So we had that breakout from 152 up to upwards to 153,500. So 150 pips for one day. That's really good. So, now that we've created that support around this area, what can happen is that if we break below this zone, we have this wick to get filled, and possibly, recreate a new higher low, which will be a new support around this area. If we look into the quarter points, we can see 153, 500, and then the next one will be what, 152, 800. So right around here, or maybe even 153 flat, which is close to this wick down here. So for this session, what I want to see, what I would like to see, I want to see a break above this minor resistance here, and if we continue below this area, which is 153, 300, 500, I want to see a wick fill down to 153, 200. So 153, 500 under to 153, 200, 30 pip move, which is good enough, for an Asian session. Volume is shit, and you guys can clearly see this. It hasn't been, really good throughout New York and Asian. I think London had some moves. Let's see, the London Open candle, which is here. We had this with this drop here, right? So what do we do next? We set up the parameters. Sounds kind of boring. It is a very fucking, this annoying ass range right now. To be fair, so I'm looking at this, and it looks like shit, to be honest. I just want to go back onto gold and see if we could get a break above 141 to continue up. But yeah, let's just go ahead and see if GJ can give us something for today. Maybe, 10, 20 pips. Any little thing we can grab, it's good. But yeah, guys, Asian tends to suck a lot. It's not a really volatile session, and what we can do is always plan out for pre-London or even London Open. And just be ready. Smaller This is what the 30-minute time frame. So from here to here, you can clearly see that this is a 24 pip range. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that this will be a no trade zone. No trade zone for me. No trade zone for me. Yeah. No trade zone for me, because if you look to the left, there's mad traffic here. Above this zone here, you can clearly see that this is a very very conflicted area right above here. So I definitely want to see a clean break above 153,800 to continue up. And if we continue down for a pullback, then I want to see a continuation down here for a wick fill, or even here, so about 30, 40 pips. But I want to see a clean break underneath this big ass support here, or above this, small resistance here. Let's say, like, if by any chance let's say that this is, we come to the charts and we don't see any of this. This is like, um, like it didn't happen. It's not in here. And I will come to the charts and I see something like this, right? I see a pullback down to this wick here. I believe it's 153, 150. I will definitely take buys at this point. I will take a buy. Knowing that 8 p.m. is about to get here with volume, I would expect either a retest to this resistance, and that's at least 20 pips. But knowing that we had this major zone that it's just and nasty, it's fucking disgusting. A lot of traffic. It's congested. It looks like the I-95 in 4th of July. I wouldn't take a trade above this zone here unless we clear all of this area here. And I want to see a nice clean break above 153,800 to continue up. Even though we have these little wicks here, I wouldn't even pay that much attention to that, to be honest. For sales, definitely I would like to see a clean break underneath 153,500. A nice clean break and close. I want to see a candle closing bearish underneath that area, and then I will target these wicks here. So I will target first this one, and then second this one for a runner. Makes sense? So let's go ahead and take this in. Close under or below 153,500. Right? So shit big as fuck. Make it like that. And for buys, I would like to see a clean break. And for break, close above 53,800. So somewhere around here, a little down below here. Remember that I draw my line here, and then on top of the line, behind the line or whatever, there's an area of rejection, just this rectangle. So I want to see a clean break above the zone, not in between, not below. I want to see the candle closing above, just like this one here, or this one here, or this one here. And for sales, let me go ahead and make this a little smaller. This is coming from all the way down here. I don't even know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and move it. Oh, it's probably from like a way far area, probably from down here. Sheesh. Yeah. So now that's kind of like irrelevant at this point, you know. So I'll go ahead and take this off and bring this rejection zone to the nearest. Oh shit! I have the fucking Streamlabs video and the Zoom video. Shit, it's like fucking Inception in here. Take this shit off. Okay. Alright. So, boom. And bring this down here. What I'm gonna start doing, because I know it gets kind of like fuzzy when you see the chart and you see like fucking 20,000 lines. I want to go ahead and start using just rays instead of lines. So let's drop a ray here. Rays, pew pew, pew pew, pew pew rays. So even looking onto the 4 hour, you can see that this is the strongest support. So we're gonna go ahead and hold it down. Mama, I'm legally behind. POP, hold it down. So yeah, let's go ahead and keep that support at that area here on the 4 hour, even though it looks like dog shit. And for the resistance, this is coming from the 30-minute. And let me make this into a ray. Pew pew. Coming from down here. Okay. Cool. Cool. And now let's go into the exciting part. Let's go into gold. Now that we got GJ, let's go ahead and see what gold is doing. Alright. Gold had this nasty ass drop during the basically 8 a.m. So the North American session open. It looked like it was going to break above in 1841 and continue up, maybe retest that wick here at 1844, but it did a 180. It did break the previous 30-minute high, and it looked like, even on the 5-minute, it was breaking highs and closing above this zone here, but it didn't close above that rejection area. So it did a 180 and it just fucking decided to plummet. That's gold. Hit that 1818, rejected, filled that whole fucking wick from NFB. This is from NFB, right? Yeah, NFB, horrible numbers. Gold spiked up. I believe it was like, see how much? About 200 and something, 300 pips maybe. 240 pips. Sheesh. So $24 difference. So now we know that got filled. We can definitely get another retest down below here. So I've seen this happen. If you guys want to go ahead and see back, kind of like back test at 1770. This is what happened, right? We had a major drop. I don't know if it was due to news or whatever. Gold retested that 1770 area, which is a key level. I don't have it drawn as a key level, but it is. Consolidated a little, looked like it was going to break up, and then at some point it grabbed liquidity. This is a liquidity pool. Liquidity pool means that it's setting up to go up if it's on a bearish momentum, and then it turns bullish, right? So what I'm expecting to see here on gold, since we already got the liquidity pool, maybe have another retest and then a continuation up. if and only if we break under 1830 to continue down and retest that 1818 area. If not, then it's a lot easier just to go ahead and close your eyes and go into a buy. But we need a clean break above 1841 because this zone right here is somewhere that you don't want to be stuck in, and it can consolidate for the rest of the week. And it's a 100 pip zone, so kind of have to play smart. It's a small lot size if you want to hold it. If not, then just play smart and wait until we get a close break, a close above 1841. So just a nice break and close above 1841. Go ahead and get some coffee. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up an alert right here. Boom. Just in case we're heading up. And stuff GJ. Shit, it's just looking like garbage. Let's set up another alert here if I want. Oh, gotta upgrade again. That's okay. So I could actually, on your MetaTrader, you could actually set up an alert if you want. As far as gold is what it's doing right now, if you look into the 5 minute, it looks like we're dipping underneath this zone here. But looking close to this area, getting close to the zone, this is a very controversial range. So I don't want to be, I don't want to get into a sell. We close up, on below this 1835 key level, and then we start ranging again around here. Just play smart. Still got 11 minutes until 8 p.m. and let's wait and see. Yeah, guys, this is a fucking range, horrible range area. As of AUD USD, for what it's doing, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out right now. Just give me 1 second. Trying to set up these right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bum, 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 bum. How do I like my coffee? I like it dark. Dark with a little bit of milk and some Splenda in it. Splenda. Like 2 Splendas and a cup of brown and a spoon of brown sugar. No, motherfucker, stop fucking telling me this. No, I'm not bothered. Shit. My fucking cheap ass probably only paid for like a month of trading view. I said, fuck it. But it's good, guys. If you guys like, if you trade the way I trade and you need more than one alert, yeah, it's definitely worth it. If not, you can set up the alerts on MT4, MT5, whatever the fuck you use, cTrader. Let's go on to AUD USD, right? So AUD USD played out nice since last week, right? So we had that break above 77,600. Past this no trade zone right on the dot, and for sales didn't play out. I know Bernard called this. This was due to some news that happened for the RBA, and then it took off again. So XAU, USD, AUD, USD. I've seen this a lot happening. We get that liquidity grab happening. Boom, we make a low, even though we're on a bullish trend, and then boom, again we get another retest right on the same spot. And I come down here, new support on the 30-minute to the 1 hour,
Okay.
and up
Yeah.
here, which will be the most recent
Okay.
resistance on the, well done, you get it, on the 30-minute. Candles are closing very weak as well.
Yeah, but basically, AU's basically been consolidating since yesterday at lunch. Since New York lunch for Monday.
Yeah, just most pairs have been
Consolidating.
consolidating.
There was a fake out earlier in New York session. There was a fake out to the top, and then it came back down into consolidation, and then again, like an hour later, it did the same thing but on a smaller scale. Actually, yeah, you see it right there on the 30-minute. Actually, you see it.
Yeah.
But this is literally all there was. You know what I mean? Besides
Right,
that,
that fake out.
really, besides that, nothing else has happened.
Right. If you look into GJ, it's the same shit. We had this I go into the 1 hour. This fake out here, and then after that nothing, and then for today, same shit, another fake out. So past Sunday Asian Open, which we had this massive move up. Monday we started to consolidate a little more. Past as soon as the New York session opened, around 1 p.m. That's when we came down here and it started to consolidate, and it's been on that range since then, since Monday afternoon, right? Same as gold, except for today that we had a major drop, and AUD USD looks like it's been on a go shit range since Monday. So let's go ahead and do a little rejection zone here and another rejection zone here. Let's say that this will be a non-trade zone. $78, $450, 480, yeah, 480, that's good. And sales, see, it's about to be 8 p.m. ready. Alright, that's good. And for sales, we want to have a nice clean break underneath 78, 200, 250, 250. And this is a tough ass fucking session to trade, to be honest. And for me to host, shit, if I don't have any jokes for the day, I'm fucked. Tough audience. Tough motherfuckers in here, right? Just don't dislike the video, man. Come on. Just don't dislike the video, man. So for sales, I don't give a fuck if you dislike it or not. I don't give a fuck about that.
We here to have fun, anyways.
Yeah, sir. Here, smoke some salsa and chill in the charts. Bro, somebody was fucking commenting on my pictures. Uh, that I have a lisp, right? Like the lisp. Um, And he was like trying to make me mad. I'm like, oh, I don't give a fuck about that.
Yeah,
If you don't like
this
it, go ahead and dislike the videos. Like
that
fuck,
ain't gonna
I care.
phase nothing.
Yeah. Um, Mag on the 4 hour and up. Could this area is in be the new high, higher low? The new higher low on what? On the new higher low. Yeah, hunk of brown sugar. Yeah, a little scoop of brown sugar. Sugar. Um, if it's on the if it's on GJ, this is not gonna be a higher low. This is a higher high, and you're talking about AU on the 4 hour.
I think what he's trying to say is I think that right now AU is in its higher low, so that it's gonna get ready
Yeah.
to
That makes sense. On the
push up to create for the next high. So it's
yeah,
either a high or a lower high, whatever.
yeah. No, it makes sense.
Yeah,
On AU, yeah.
I believe that's what he's saying.
Wow, people are so rude. There's nothing wrong with the way you speak. Fuck, do I care the way I speak? Um, I think it's cute. You know, if you have a lisp, that's cute. It means that you've gotten your ass knocked out before. You probably have fucking something in, I don't know, making that lisp. Probably crooked ass teeth. My teeth are good though. So yeah, this will be a higher high, and this will be a higher low, right? On AU. So what you basically want to see is just get a clean breakup of this zone that I drew here, which is
And you
78,
see
450, and a
this
continuation up.
EHT get broke, yeah.
Right, but you need once we continue up above that area, you want to see that that push break above that previous higher high, which is here, right? Which is 78 900 to continue up and make the next higher high, and the next area that I have drawn out here, it's 79 400 on the higher time frames. Um, for AU, I mainly look onto the higher time frames rather than the lower time frames because I hardly look at it. I rarely even trade it. Um, I do it for my boy Burner. Basically, now I'm fucking with you. I just like seeing how it moves because the when it comes to like price action and looking at it on the higher time frames, it's very clear, and you know it's fun to watch. And plus, it moves a lot during the Asian session, so some little action here and there. So yeah, higher high, and then a continuation up. Once you retest that resistance here, then we want to go ahead and get a nice clean retest down again to that support, and then continue up type shit, right? Ba-bum. Mack is a real character, yeah. Somebody said I'm a fucking character. I'm a cartoon. Yeah. Uh, let's go ahead and see how gold is acting. Yeah, gold is still being a bitch. And GJ is looking like it's gonna retest that resistance again and see if we break. If we break, then I might take a buy. If we don't break, then what I'm expecting is just consolidation around this zone here. So clear this shit. More consolidation and maybe a break down below here to create a higher low. So some support here and then a continuation up. Bam, bam. Oh yeah, no, I know it's meant to be a compliment. Yeah, man. I take compliments, all compliments, semi compliments. I'll take them all. Well, yeah, guys, it's really not that much volume going on right now. Don't get into a stupid ass fucking trade for no reason. Damn guy, why are you speaking in caps? Burning me with burner. Somebody's calling you burner. Burner's mic is very sensitive, buzzes the speakers and kind of cuts his voice, and compared to your voice, Burner is to like just kind of a tip. Okay, what I could do is just lower my voice a little and should be better. Or put on my headsets. But then if I put on my headsets, for some reason, it sounds even worse. Let's see. You guys hear me better now? Nicolas Valaga? Bro, is that supposed to be a funny name? Hello, 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 John Bond. John Bond. My name is Bond. John Bond. Johnny Boy. Hi, US 30, thanks. Hi, US 30, thanks. Full streaming early in the morning, bro. High fucking decibels. This motherfucker, bro. This guy comes here just to bitch. First of all, it's fucking 8 p.m. my time. I live in New York. I'm not in the morning. Oh, what's the word Rakil said in the morning? He said, "Oh, el verga larga, big dick." But he yeah, that shit was hilarious. That shit was funny as shit, dog. He read it like a fucking pro. I'm like, no. I'm like, the fuck you reading that shit for? And then he's like, what did I say? Oh man, that shit was funny. I know a lot of those Spanish funny names. um, um, but yeah, let's get into it, guys. Let's try to get into a trade here. Yeah, 8 p.m. looks like garbage. Really nothing going on. 5 minutes in, still nothing. I want to see a fucking bullish candle just breaking above this shit and just taking off. Just bow! Some shit like this, right? Super clean audio. Okay, perfect. Now you guys make me wear a fucking headset. I hate wearing headsets when I have a fucking beanie on. Ah. It builds character. Fuck you and your character. Motherfucker. Telling me to build character. Oh, it's my job, right? So I wanna see some shit like this, right? Some bullish candle just breaking above this shit and taking off. Oh, the last time I seen this shit was on a fucking random ass Tuesday, and I saw GJ just taking off like that, and I got in like right at the break, but this shit took off for like 100 and something pips. That was like the best day of my life. Yeah, I'm about to draw that shit right now. Just fucking draw a fucking submarine down here and a chopper up here. But yeah, um, on the 5 minute, it looks like nothing is happening. Let's go back onto the 30 minute and see if we could get a nice break above that area. I mean, it's only 10 pips, right? So you don't want to be stuck in this range. Be a hero, right? Take a trade here since it broke the high of the previous one. Only 10 pips to the next resistance. It kind of doesn't make any sense. This will be basically your trade, right? You get in here, have your stops underneath the previous low, which is here, 8 pips, and then you expect price to continue up and hit 0.800. But it's risky, like I said before. If you guys look to the left, all this traffic is very risky. So definitely you want to see a clean break and then getting above this zone here. Shit looks like a fucking popsicle. Or, you know, if we see a reversal, then we want to see a clean break below here. This shit looks like a fucking, like a Decepticon. And, you know, fill these wicks down here. I think it's more reasonable to get a sell. If you look into the higher time frames, we're actually at a very high area, and what I want to see is just a retracement to create some sort of higher low and then a continuation up. Yeah, gold is just doing nothing, just garbage. You see that 5 minute, how it blocked that area? Just said no, not going in there. Mike is crispy. Okay, cool. Mike is crispy. Itching. No, man, I'm not itching. It's just that it's fucking hot in here, dog. It's pretty fucking hot. Sounds clear. Let's get into this chat. I wanna chat with you guys. Fall Sprite. Muted. How many pairs do I trade? I only trade GJ and gold, and sometimes I look into other pairs like indices, but I really don't trade them. Somebody's asking me to look at Dow, but I mean, if you want to look at it, you can look at it. And if you guys, want to send a chart for me to see, Salim, are you here? You can send the chart if you want. So, because I'm a little bored right now. Go ahead and do some criticism. Criticism. So this is a gold chart from who? Oh, from Patrick. Okay, Patrick. Buys above 1838 and sells underneath, I'm guessing in 1835. Not very specific. But if you look into the sales, you have this area here, right? Which is cautionary. Once you get down here, from there to there, it's about what, 10 pips only. So I don't think it's really worth it. You want to get a clean break underneath that area, and that would be your sell, right? Now for buys, yes, looks reasonable because you have this wick to target, and above that wick, if you want to hold any runners, then you get a clean break above 1842 flat or even 1841 flat, and that's gonna go to the moon. Go to the moon. When you said Selena, you were talking about me. Yeah, I was talking about you, girl. You like Selena, Bidi Bidi Bam Bam. A Bidi Bidi Bam Bam. A Bidi 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 Bam Bam. But yeah, it looks good, man. Mr. Big Pips. Mr. Big Pips. You know what they say about Big Pips? Got Big Pips. And Salim, send me the chart. I'm looking at something here because you're looking into the 50-minute. I want to see the 50-minute on gold. It kind of looks different because you're actually targeting, you know, underneath this zone here. So it kind of makes sense, you know, if you look down to the 50-minute, you can actually have like a mini trade within this zone here. This will be a no trade zone, and you want to have buys above this area, and you have another resistance here within this big 30-minute, you know, zone. Because I'm looking into the 30-minute, and this is basically a lot, right? But you're looking into a trade within another trade, so it kind of makes sense. So let me look. Let me actually check this out here. This motherfucking high decibels. Yes, sir. Send it. That's my dog. All right, so we have the a chart from somebody from Oxford. Smart ass motherfucker. All right, so what do we have here, Celine? On the 1 hour, yeah. So basically, you're having the same thing as me on the 1 hour, which makes sense. You know, you want to play it safe. The no trade zone is 84 pips, $8.50. Let me see my no trade zone. Yeah, actually, mine is $11. Wow. So yours is a little tighter. Okay. Um, 1833. So you're getting actually these two rejections here for your main support, I'm guessing, right? And then you have another rejection here and here. Okay, makes sense. Okay, let me put this in red. So yeah, it makes more sense than mine actually, and it's tighter, so it's good. And I was looking at this dude, so right, that's what I was looking at right now. I was looking at the 15, so I completely missed it on the 15. So I was just focused on the 30, and on the 30 it looks, very fucking um complicated, right? So looking on the 15, you have you have 1833, right, as your support based on the 15. So here, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right, so down here, basically, because of this mess here and these wicks here. So you want to get a clean break underneath this area and, a close underneath those wicks here. So actually, I'm gonna go by your idea best. I'm just gonna copy you right now. Kind of think it's better now. Even though that rejection zone that I have here is good, 1830, it's a nice key level, and this is coming from way before, right? But now we are gonna go ahead and update it. So fuck that shit. We're gonna keep this now, and this will be the no trade zone, right here. As far as the 15-minute goes, I'm gonna set up another rejection zone from here. You see, this is coming from all the way down here, which is 1838. So basically, this will be the no trade zone. If I want to, keep it nice and casual, very chilling. I don't want to trade underneath this area. And now if I see momentum on the to the upside, maybe rejections down here, liquidity being grabbed, and then we start moving up, then I would kind of, get a small position in and then kind of like scale in as we start to go up again. overall momentum on the higher time frames is still bullish. You know, we're still on a very bullish momentum here. Let me go ahead and take this shit off. So it makes more sense to go for buys rather than sells, and we had a major drop today, so I'm very confident that we're going to continue up. But we can also retest again 1818, you know, just because it's gold. So really not much explanation about that. Yeah, no, it was a nice liquidity grab. 1850, 1860. Let's go ahead and check the 1855, 1857, and 1870. These are the zones that I have drawn out from maybe the from maybe the this guy from the higher time frames, right? I'm 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 super professional here. You guys telling me I'm a trip. Yeah, this is coming from this rejection here on the 4 hour, even on the daily if you see. Oops. So it's 1855. 1855, which is this wick here, bam, and then we got 1871 above that area. We have this nasty fucking gladiator candle the upwards to 1950. So imagine getting a nice little trade down here, boom, hold it down, maybe get another wick fill down here, and then just grab buys from here and just ride it all the way up here to 1951. That'll be like a gazillion pips. Sheesh. 1,353 pips. Beautiful. You can tell that this shit's so old because I had this shit from like probably like last year. This rejection. Yeah, 2020. Fuck. But man, this shit moves, dog. Like it moves a lot. So let's go ahead and draw a new rejection zone here just for future references. And you know, this double top here on gold, which is 1860, another flat number, can also be you mentioned it before and I forgot about it, be another area. So let's go ahead and drop it here. And actually, I'm gonna start fucking using rays rather than lines because it's just getting messy. Thing is that for rays, I don't even have a hot fucking shortcut. Thickness, I like them thick, so not that thick, but thick enough. Talking about lines here, guys. Lines. Thick lines. This guy. Mack. Okay, and yeah. So above this zone here, which is 1839, 1840, once we break above that area, then we have 1855, which is the nearest um, resistance or rejection, if you want to call it. So let me bring this down here. Shit, my boy getting in the whip right now. He's about to pull up. And this is fucking trash, dog. Shit. I'm getting fucking mad, man. She's not doing anything. Fuck, no fucking volatility whatsoever. Sheesh. Oh man, let's see how AU is doing. AU is doing nothing. AU is doing nothing. Anybody want to send a chart from the gulag from the YouTube chat? Go ahead and send it because I'm bored as fuck and this shit's not moving at all. And I'll probably wait until 9:30 to see the Shanghai Stock Exchange open, and we might get some fucking volatility going on. Why don't you trade Asian London? Because I'm not a fucking robot. You know, I have to go to sleep, man. I'm tired. I work out fucking 2 hours a day, and that shit gets you tired, you know. And plus, I work. Let's hop on Tinder. Bum 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 bum. I wear this mod like a gold. This motherfucker says I wear this wrench like a gold medal. The Mod Olympics. Check my trade. Ted, send your trade. I'll check it. Look at this fucking fuck shit. Like, what the fuck is this shit doing? It's just like consolidating on the 1 minute. Like, man. This got no fucking chill, bro. Alright, so what we could do now, since this is like a fucking dead ass session, character building session, like Rakil says, we could go ahead and watch a movie, guys. You remember back in high school when the teacher had nothing to say? Motherfucker had nothing to say, or maybe he was having like a bad day, maybe he just got home, had a fight with his wife, and he's like, fuck, I gotta go to school now. Goes to school, he's like, I don't want to do shit today, let's play a movie. Shit, that's how I feel right now. Play some fucking Saving Private Ryan type shit. I remember my history teacher, he used to play some fucking movies completely non-related to history. At least like 3 times a week, you know. Probably motherfucker had so many problems at home, he would just get to school and he's like, fuck this, Netflix this bitch. Yo, Burner! Yo, you have a reclinable chair, man? I see the motherfucker like this. I'm like, what is he doing? I thought you asked because I had stuck in a glitch. uh, Imagine me, bro. I'm trying, I'm trying to fucking please an audience here. Shit, I'm about to fucking play a movie right now. Some, yeah, look at this shit. Just pumped out the blue. So this is the 1 minute though. You know, it moved to 10 pips. That would have been your trade right there. Boom, 10 pips. Mm-hmm. Yeah, shut the fuck up. What up, Mac? I don't think we can hear the other guy in the Zoom call. Oh shit. Yeah, I gotta take my headsets out and then the audio gets so messy. Um, but yeah, let's go ahead and see if we break up of this zone here to I guess at least get to 1841. Shit, like you know what happened today? Like this shit was, it looked like it was gonna keep on going. I had buys from 1836. So I was holding, right? Like a fucking champion, like the champ I am. And this shit went like this. It looked like it was gonna break 1841. Boom, back down. Then again, it looked like it was gonna break 1841. And this shit just did a 180 and just boop, dooped. Fucking shitted on everyone. They hit that zone right on the dot. So it's good. But yeah, man, this fucking gold thing. What's up, boys? Also, it's Richie. Matt, can you help me pay my bills? Tristan, you sound like a boy, so no. uh, Batman J, Batman, oh Batman, oh yeah, Batman J. Okay, DJ. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Look at gold right now. This shit's just fucking up. Fucking up. Mm-hmm. How do you deposit money on the trader's domain? I think I have a video on that. Go onto my Instagram and there's a video. Uh-huh. Oh, let me get that snapshot. Bang. Man, boy, I wish I had some loud right now. I'll be rolling up right now. Just rolling up. Just rolling up a little woo and just Tony, don't be a simp. You don't be a simp. Let me be a simp. If I want a simp, I want a simp. You know? Fuck. People telling me not to simp. Shit. You don't know me. I'm Simpedonian. Simpedonian. Fuck him up with that shit. Ah. Vivek, stick to 1 to 2 trades a day. And tight stop losses, you'll be okay. Correct. Those 100 pip losses will turn your hair gray. No, motherfucker, this just gonna turn you're not gonna have no fucking hair. Mac, you look like a giant simp. Maybe I am a giant simp. I'm trying to look for this guy, Professor Pippich. Charts on charts on charts. Man, people gotta stop asking me to pay your bills, bro. Make an OnlyFans. Whoa, shit, that's a lot of shit here. Okay. Don't get cooked zone. Okay, the don't get cooked zone. I fuck with it. That's not new. He said don't get cooked. All right, let's get to business. Okay, first, weekly time bullish looking for a retest to the high. This is the one that feed on GJ. Bro, I could barely see the candles. And this is the 1 hour, so I should be able to see it. Anyway, I'm gonna try to figure it out. So 153.738, which was the high created. Actually top 154 if you want to be technical. Um you see 154 got tapped. Okay, so that's the weekly high. Now you want to wait for a pullback, daily inside the range, potentially closing weak. Correct. This is not Rwanda, but it's about the same shit. See the weekly close on GJ from yesterday? Okay, that's shit. So that could mean that we're either gonna consolidate around that area or we're gonna get a wick fill down below here. But I don't see it continuing up, right? Might have a breather and head down. Uh, Now what I don't get is the don't get cooked zone, because if you're looking at a trade from here, bro, this is like a fucking, this is like playing chess with a blind person. Cause I'm not trying to. No, I'm just looking at this, right? These are the candles, right? hmm So yeah, right here, these, right? Of course, you gotta make. I don't know if you're trading off an iPad or something, but it's like a little screen, and this should be visible, right? The candlesticks should be more visible. So try to make the 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 this, all the don't get cooked zone. You can draw a gun here if you want. Phew. That's the don't get cooked zone. Just, when you type something and you see the candles way too small, you can hardly see them. Just make the text smaller so people can see it. Because right now I'm trying to like decipher this, and this shit looks like a fucking, like you're trying to like mine a crypto, Bitcoin. You know. Uh, I get what you're saying. You there's a high created on the weekly, which is tab 154. I get that. You want potential buys above. I can see what it is. Potential targets. I can see what it is. Don't really like the shorts because higher time frames. Then it got cut off here. Then I want to see the scenarios. You want clean buys with possible momentum from London Open. Correct. Or the second scenario. It's if the double bottom forms, take buy position here, anticipating price to push bullish, entry bullish engulfing candle with wick rejection. So you're just looking for buys. I mean, you want to see both scenarios. You want to see buys and sells, because at this point, you look into the weekly, we hit 154. So you want to see some kind of breather, kind of like this, right? You look into the weekly, see here, boom, 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 then bang, breather, boom, 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 bam, breather, right? Well, this is a daily, but anyway, if you go ahead and zoom out, you can still see that we're on a very bullish uh, trend. So I think it makes more sense to look for buys than sells, but we can get a breather like we did on here, which is in the, first week of April, a month ago exactly. So this month, you know, monthly wick has been created. Now we can go ahead and get a breather, come down here, create a higher low, and then continue up. Next target is 156,300, and there is a lot of room for GJ to continue up. Don't mind the lines, I can take them off. What do you take? Right? And now let me zoom out more onto the weekly. Right? Even if you're a scalper and you don't swing that much, you definitely want to see how the market's moving, right? For example, this fucking nasty ass drop that happened in 2016. You want to take it in consideration. The drop that happened during Corona, which is March of 2020, you want to take it in consideration. As a bullish run on GJ, usually when we go into a bullish momentum, what I've noticed is that it's really not that one fucking weekly candle taking you hundreds and hundreds of pips, right? It's got no structure like this, higher highs, higher lows created, up, down, up, down, up, down. Here too, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then when it drops due to maybe Brexit back then, probably Brexit, yeah, that's when we create these lows and buyers come into the market, create new highs, and little by little we still move up, right? So you see onto the weekly, you have targets up to 160 easily, past 160, up to 172, and so on. So we kind of look into the long term. Even if you're scalping 20, 30 pips, 10 pips, you want to see how the market's trending. Because when it comes to currencies, different than the indices. Indices look like they only go up, right? Currencies can, take a big ass dive and stay down there for a minute. Wow, AU is still not doing shit. It looks like it got the little drop here. If it breaks under that area, this zone here, burner, 78 to 60. Unless you're in a sell right now, you don't think that would be adequate to get into a sell underneath this zone to continue it down here. Mm, mm-hmm. Yeah, this shit is dropping nasty. Fuck it, yeah. Yeah, because if you look to the left here, this is, yeah, yeah, same as GJ. Really not much going on. This is the reversal that I was talking about as we're getting close to 9 p.m. Seeing how if this candle closes with no wick to the top, then it's a good indication that price might continue dropping, and if we get that close under 153,500, then it will be a way better confirmation to get into a sell. But we need to clear this wick here and this wick here to stay in the trade. Of course, if you get in here now, then your stop will be right above this uh, 30-minute candle, so it's nine pips, reasonable, and you want price to continue down and retest these lows down here. But first, you want to, of course, if you're in the trade, you don't you want to see this candle closing under that rejection zone, that support, and basically respecting this zone here by closing under and this wick here. But if it respects, and by respecting I mean rejects, then I would just close the trade because really there is not that much range for price to continue down here at that point. You know, it's only 8 pips, 9 pips. Someone in the gulag got sells. Mitch got in at 338. Nice. Mitch got balls. How often do I go live? Yeah, we got my gang here saying I go live on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I want to go live on Wednesdays if I start seeing more volatility coming through on Wednesdays. Yes, it will make sense. But you know, most of the time for Asian, if the market's been ranging, let's say I go on Tuesday and it's been ranging since Monday, there's really not much I can do. It's gonna be basically a character building day, right? We're just gonna be sitting here looking at each other's face, while maybe Thursday or Wednesday, if we see the market's been moving or consolidating on Monday, and but when you see more consolidation, you're gonna see a bigger breakout, and that's kind of like what I want to see on a Wednesday or Thursday. So I might start might switch the day from Tuesday to Wednesday, or stream Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. But one of those days is gonna be plain boring. Like it's not gonna be a lot going on. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Yeah, I got the. Oh, what happened? Bam, bam. All right, so Crystal. Sorry. High time frame bearish structured the trend line. Okay. Um. Okay, I'm trying to make sense out of this because why do you want to enter a buy here down all the way down here? Like, what makes you think that, getting a buy here? Did you run a fib maybe that's giving you that entry here? Oh, order block. Okay, got it. The order block. So, okay, makes sense. So, order block. All right, for that order block, then, what you could do is draw a support down here. Oops. Support down here, right? And your resistance up here. And you could do both scenarios. You could do sells and buys. But yeah, I think you're just aiming for buys, which doesn't, I mean, if it makes more sense to you and you want to just go for buys and ignore the sells, perfect. But it's always good to have that second option for sells if you get a break underneath 1830, 36.5, not 36.5, 35 on the dot actually, to get sales and retest this drop here again and continue up. Right, because overall we're still continuing up. We know that. First TP at the highs, so first TP will be 1860, right? We have that drawn out here, so 1860 makes sense. It's a nice little swing. And second TP, Yeah, second CP was 1860. Okay, perfect. First CP is at the high, so I'm guessing first CP will be here or here. Yeah, it's kind of confusing. Oh, here, got it. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. To be honest, it makes sense. Um, grabbing buys from here from 1835, 500 maybe upwards to 1835. Yeah, 50, 55 pips. So yeah, it'll be a good trade, man. Good trade, but also keep in mind that you have the well possibilities if that order block gets respected, and then you get a nice break under and close for price to continue down and get a retest to that wick here again. Because I've seen that on gold a lot of times. It kind of looks like two legs, right? You have one leg here and then another leg here, right? It becomes like a little man, stick man. I'm a stick man. But yeah, overall, right now, I mean, this drop that happened was due to, the horrible numbers our fucking mumbling president gave us. 264,000 jobs created. Just shit. Compared to forecast, which was 900K. The forecast, he was short 700,000 jobs. So yeah, non-farm payroll was shit. Gold fucking jumped 240 pips. Um, Still, we had this technical rejection, making this um get filled again back to starting point, and now we're taking off again. So yeah, NFP got corrected. That's good. Now we know that NFP got corrected, created that one leg. If you're talking about technicals, now depends about CPI, how it goes tomorrow. If CPI is good, then price might drop again and create another liquidity pool down here, and price then continue up by basically just correcting that CPI move. So for CPI, always be on the lookout because CPI, I've seen CPI moving crazy sometimes, and it's always good to know, especially if you're expecting really good numbers on CPI. If you're expecting shitty numbers, then set up a buy stop. But I don't trade NFP. I don't trade news anymore because every time I trade news, I have the luck to get either slipped 1,000 pips, and then I get pretty upset. Let's go ahead and check CPI. What are we expecting for CPI? Bank of England, Governor Bailey speaks. All right, so let's shit. He spoke and he said nothing. CPI. All right, Katie muted. 0.6. That was in April, and the forecast was 0.5. All right, so that's good. It's getting better. Consumer price index is getting better, and this is month to month. 0. 0.3. Okay, forecast 0.3 again. Perfect. If we get a 0. 0.4, 0. 0.3 again, or even 0. 0.6, prices. I mean, the dollar can gain some strength, and gold can have another dip. But I think overall, guys, I'm gonna just see how 9:30 opens, which is in the next 30 minutes, and from there, if we don't see any volatility, then I will just close the stream, right? Really not much going on. Sad. But last week, called two trades on. I think they were both DJ, and they worked out pretty good.
Thursday, I was fucking like falling asleep. I hadn't slept in like 3 days, but I still did the stream, and I called that trade, so that was good. Also, Berner called that trade on AU that ran nicely. That was from like down here, I think. Oops. Like down here. Yeah. Bang. If you'd have held that shit throughout NFP, bro, imagine. Boom. Boom. And now it looks like we're breaking under. Sheesh. Now you gotta just be careful about these wicks here. Uh, but yeah, it used to be moving nice, man. Nice. I like it. Gold is just teasing me right now because I'm pretty teased to get a sell on gold, honestly, because I'm looking at the 30 minutes got no wick to the top, so that's good. Uh, Even though we're about to hit that 9 p.m., 9 p.m. usually um, projects, well, gives us a pullback. If we're going down, somebody fucking donated $2, Jazz, a baddie safe moon to the moon. Damn, Jasmine, you making dollars up in here. Sheesh. Jasmine's gonna be a moderator from now on. Look, Jasmine, type something. A bunch of fucking simps in here, bro. The fuck is this? Guy, you're not gonna get her Instagram for $2. The fuck? Okay. Um, yeah, I'm actually pretty interested in looking to a sell if we see 9 p.m. getting that close under here. Oh wow, look, she's got a wrench next to her name. She can kick you out, she can do a lot of things to you now. In super sim mode. I attract them. People be telling me that I should run a OnlyFans managing club. Managing OnlyFans. Oh, I'll have JP's sister in. Oh shit. Fuck. Yeah, AU's dropping, man. So that's good. As of gold, you want to see a nice clean break underneath that area. Looking onto the 15. I really didn't want to take that trade here. I know somebody sent the chart. Make her a moderator. For well, she's a moderator. Bro, you want to make all the girls in here moderators? Shit, man. Fuck. Where'd the masculinity go? Um, yeah, so for gold, you want to see a clean break underneath 1833. Uh-huh. And as 9 p.m. it's hidden, we might have a pullback, so I don't think it's really safe at this point. So I'd rather just wait until 9:30 and see if we could go ahead and get that push. Oh, whoa, shit cracked. Shit. Yeah, I don't like the way it's closing. Mm-mm. No, 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 no. I'm a fucking joker. Oh shit. Oh man. Fuck. I'm about to make some TikTok videos and shit. Ah, fuck man. And markets are fucking just doing nothing like that. Yeah. Look at AU popping and gold looks like it's about to break that low right now. This low here. 1833. Yeah, go to sleep, boy. See how much did this shit drop, man? What's up, dog? What's up? When when your government you when your governor spoke about look, give me 1 second, everything. I didn't have my headsets on. When Bailey spoke? Mm-hmm. Okay. But does he know like there's like a fucking thousands of different cryptos out there? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh man, our governors in the U.S. they talk about everything, man. They talk about fucking all monetary policies, everything, not only just the Fed. But yeah, I mean, crypto, they have to talk about it at some point. And if you guys have a fucking dumbass as a prime minister, somebody else got to talk about it, right? Shit, fucking Boris is gonna be talking about crypto. Motherfucker doesn't even know what a Bitcoin is. Shit. Fucker's gonna say, I'll give you guys a Bitcoin for vaccine. Motherfucker doesn't even know Bitcoin is like 55,000 right now. See. Yeah, give him water. All right, so let's see how we're breaking that low right now on gold. So it looks good to take a sell right now. And if you take a sell, this will be your stop loss right above this 30-minute candle. And you expect price to continue down and get a nice retest on the if you look into the 1 hour to this area here. But yeah, overall 30-minute closed. You see? Oh no, it's still not closed. Yeah, you want to see a close, guys. You want to get a nice close, a nice little close, not just a break close. So wait for a close. Yeah, I guess this shape might pull back again and go back into the range as we still kind of far from 930, so wouldn't be suggested to take a sell at this point. Bro, this guy keeps he keeps donating money. Yeah, I'll send it to Jasmine. You ever look at the 1M, Mac? What's the 1M? I don't know what the 1M is. JR, I don't know what the one. Oh, the 1 minute? Like, shit, I'm so fucking tired. I'm like, the 1M, the 1 million. I was like, well, motherfucker comes at me with the 1M is another cryptocurrency. Shit, I would have closed the stream right now. Yeah, I'd look at the 1 minute just to see rejection mainly, but honestly, I don't really pay much attention to it unless I'm getting close to a rejection zone. So you see here how it's rejecting and this one rejected also, so it's kind of ghost shit right now. Yeah, let's stay away from the 1 minute. It's kind of dangerous. Even if a 5 minute closes below this zone here, I think they'll be clutch. See what time is it? All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute left. Ooh, nice, nice little close. And at this point, I will be taking a sell right now. Hopefully, I don't get stopped out. So this will be my entry. My stop will be right here, right above that 30-minute candle. And I will be expecting price to continue down to, at least 10, 20 pips, not much. So look down here, this double, triple bottom, whatever the fuck you want to call it, be a good area. $36 pips, I think. That's good, 36 pips. The moment that I start seeing massive rejection like this, I'm gonna start closing like 50% of my position because I honestly I'm not feeling too comfortable right now with this going on. Mm, it's in a very messy area to be honest. I mean, it can continue down. Um, So I'm like 2 pips in profit, like going back and forth, 2 pips. What time is it right now? Mm, not digging it, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna lower my risk here. Pretty not so risky, but a little risky sell. See if it works out. Why are you trading I'm not trading the 5 minute. I was just looking at this 5 minute, how it closed underneath that zone that I have drawn out here. This is 1834. Usually what we get on the 5 minute is another retest, like how we did here. We close under, retest, and then a continuation down. And as we're getting close to 9:30, we might get that push from the Shanghai Stock Exchange open. But honestly, guys, I'm not even digging this right now. I close half. Um, if I'm not even feeling this trade, I'm actually gonna close it all. I basically just break even at this point. But yeah, let's see if this 5 minute now starts closing underneath the low of the previous one. It should be a good attempt for price to continue down, or at least hit down here. But if I see rejection again, then I'm just gonna close. Yeah, because you see AU also is rejecting that zone. A lot of fuck shit going on. Fuck shit. GJ is just bullshit. Oh, nice. It broke the low of the previous one. Come on, poop. Alright, so I'm gonna set up my entry to a break even. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh shit. Go back onto the chat. Let's see what's popping. So at this point, I'm already up. Shit, not even 7 pips. And I'm not even liking this right now. You know what? I don't feel comfortable with this trade, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. You know, if you want to hold, but just be safe, right? I'm not liking it. Not liking it. I don't see a clear target to hit, which is probably here or down here. But with all this traffic here and rejections and shit, right? I'm not digging it. Maybe if we would have taken the trade from the rejection zone up here, would have been better. You know, catch those 20, 23 pips. Really not much going on. You know, we had the massive move today from up here down to 1818, and I think that was basically it. But this can continue to run. You know, it's just not for me. I'm not too fond of holding that trade for longer. What the fuck is going on? Bro, this is not an OnlyFans chat, man. You know, relax. Talk about, I don't know, gold or something. Sheesh. But yeah, man, if you want to hold on a small position and get some money in, go ahead and do so. So for me, it was like uh, yeah, like an trade. Really not the type of the trades that I usually take. So I don't want to force anything. But overall, on the 30-minute looks good. Thing is that you have this here, and finally your final target will be here. But as we're getting close to 9:30, guys, then we can have a reversal, and that reversal can create some liquidity pool, and that will be your support to take buys. You gotta wake up and stretch. Oh. I'm gonna go back onto the chat because this is getting spicy in here. Let's see what's going on. This guy keeps donating a lot. Uh, Semilmatic. 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 Semilmatic says he wants to make Lauren a moderator. I'm about to get my cut quick. Okay, so everybody's gonna be a moderator now. It's gonna be an only girls moderator chat. Ah, shit. 1K for 5 minutes of safe moon. How weight are you, Mac? What do you mean how weight? What's my weight? How much do I weigh? I weigh 205 pounds dry, 210 wet. Hey, what the fuck is that noise outside? Um, is there gonna be a stream tomorrow? I don't know, man. Probably. I don't know. If I see market, that's gonna give us a better trade than today, yeah, I'll probably do it. Shit, why not? Lauren, I'm gonna give you moderator benefits. Brought to you by this dude that's been donating money. So, boom. No, man, you can't. What the fuck? You want to be a moderator? Yeah, we're having a lot of fun on the chat because the charts are not giving us any thrill. So this is just fucking bum right now. Bum ass charts, bum movements. That 15-minute close with no wick to the downside, so that's a big no-no for me. Oh yeah, I'm live streaming. All right, A-Rod, be safe, my brother. Yo, I swear to God, this is for today only. Everybody else, I see you tomorrow. And you have the moderator shit on you, that fucking wrench. I'll take the wrench off. My mom get donations from me. This man got no fucking chill. Where do you people come from, bro? You know that guys on Instagram. You know that guys on Instagram, Uncle Scam. Yeah, it's a bunch of fucking cucks, bunch of little kids. Invite me to stream with you, Mac. What do you mean? What you want to stream with me? You want to show your face? This is becoming like a fucking. You guys remember chat roulette when you like talk to like a bunch of random strangers on the internet? This is what it's looking like. Chat roulette. Somebody's gonna fucking whip out. Fuck. Yeah, a lot of surprises that you don't want to see. I get fucking traumatized and shit. Chat roulette. Oh fuck. Yeah, look at this fuckboy fucking gold doing nothing. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It does look like if it's like if we're expecting bad numbers on CPI, yeah, that's good. So I want to see a nice maybe a wick fill down here by tomorrow. Maybe 1818 again, a tap, and then continuation up to go above 1838 and 1841. Yeah, this man. Oh man. Oh man. Yo, they on thirst mode, dog. Shit, man. I'm gonna buy a bunch of you ass some fucking Aquafina shit. All right, we got 8 minutes till 9:30, so I want to see how this is gonna play out. Bro, if you see my cat, there's like some noise going outside, probably construction, and he goes into like the pillows, right, to like hide, and he looks scared out of his fucking mind. If you guys can see it. Yo, come here. These motherfuckers thirsty, dog. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to give these these niggas some tap water. Oh man, it's a bunch of fluoride in it. Fucking get poisoned. This guy say I want a Jasmine, but she don't want herself a Boricua. Bori. This motherfucker Puerto Rican. Jasmine, she's Mexican. She look like Selena. She look like this girl. Oh man. Oh man. Don't tell me that. Look, that's Jasmine right there. Look, Jasmine singing, and we got the other dude here. Oh, Bo- Buddy, give me your give me your Instagram. Man, motherfucker don't want to give me no Instagram. He ugly as shit. He's donating all this money. Means you ugly, man. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Yeah. Asian session matchmaking. This is instead of Christian Mingle, Forex Mingle. So we got Traders Mingle. Forex Mingle. Yeah, Forex Mingle. Wow, look at gold. It's about to tap that TP, but it's moving slow. So right now, we might get that push at 9:30 and continue down. See how it goes. So whoever's holding positions, good for you. But Selena here, she's bad, bro. When I was little, when I was a jit man, I used to watch her movie by but that was fucking J Lo. So J Lo's doing some other shit, and yeah, J Lo's my baby right there. uh, and then I found out like the manager killed her, and there was like a bunch of drama, this and that. And I was like fucking 7 years old, so I didn't understand shit. And I'm like, why did she kill her? She was so pretty. And it's like, oh no, because she was jealous. I was like, bitch, how you jealous like that? And she's still in jail. She shot Selena. You guys gonna spook the girls away from my fucking stream, man. The fuck you doing? Yeah, my stream got it all. If you want to read the description to my stream, you go onto YouTube and you go into any video. And this is what my stream is all about, you know? You go into it, bang. It's only 146 people watching. Wow, bunch of losers. I lost customers. Why the fuck I have 124 likes? And you read the description. This is an educational and fun stream for Forex. You're 100 free to talk about anything, strippers, narcotics, but keep it friendly and fun. So go ahead, brace yourself. Just keep it fun. No insults, no racism, no nothing like that. And now it looks like we're continuing down here. It's 9:30. It's getting close. So yeah, nice little trade called. I didn't hold for shit though, but it is what it is. Macking with Mack, that's the name of the stream. You know what I named this stream at first? I named it the Asian Persuasion, but that's like kind of like racist, because you know you wanna persuasion, persuade the Asians. Boy, only thing you smashed was your left sock. Oh shit, that was ruthless, bro. Look, send me a DM, bro, and I'll put you on the stream right now, so you could talk. You could talk, and you know you could Mack it. It's gonna be $5 a minute. No, I'm fucking with you. But if you wanna join the Zoom, I don't know if you wanna be in the stream. Send me a DM and I'll send you the invite. I'll be here for the next 20 minutes. I wanna see how the Shanghai opens. Mac, go to my IG. Okay. I obliterated my socks when I was a kid. Man, you nasty as fuck, bro. Okay, I haven't checked my IG for a minute. Shit, I got 27 messages. Okay. A lot of people got mad because I said, what did I say? I said if you post another shit coin, I'm gonna unfollow you. And a lot of people took that to the heart. Okay, so yeah, 1,200 views, and a lot of people got mad. They're like, "Oh shit," you know, because I said if you post another shit coin, meaning that if you post another shit about Dogecoin or Shiba or whatever the fuck, any, you know, Safe Moon, like this motherfucker's putting money down here for Safe Moon, shit like that. Um, I'm gonna unfollow you. And a lot of people took that shit to the heart. Oh shit. All right, so we got. Oh shit, you do. Okay. I like the name of the gas station. That's fine. That's cute. Okay, that's cute. Yes, yes, sir. Damn. Selena. A bitty bitty bam bang. A bitty 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 bam bang. Oh, that's your dad's name? That's a lie. That's my name. Oh, okay. Man, I don't give a fuck if you trade Dogecoin, fucking SafeMoon, like a Mack truck. Bro, look at AU. That shit's just nasty. This shit went down, boom, rejected, went up again, rejected that zone. And now if we start breaking underneath this 30-minute, 15 low, can continue down, but the way this opening is it's opened, I don't see anything happening, honestly. Oh, look, yeah, nice. I don't know why, but my MetaTrader got stuck. Yo, what the fuck? My MetaTrader got stuck, man. Oh wow, what a piece of shit. All right, whatever. So whoever is holding those sales that I called, good, congrats. Good for you guys. Good fucking trade. I only closed like 7 pips. Bullshit. I only closed 7 pips. Not really fun on how price was moving. But if you secure partials or whatever, and now you want to hold down to this zone here, 1829, perfect. If you want to, long term hold to 1818, good. But since I called that trade, I think it's moved around 15 pips. Tell you right now. Amor prohibido. Alright, so from here to here, so 26 pips. Nah. Yeah, 26 pips, right? Cool. Cool, man. Cool. It should continue down with this volume, even though I'm not seeing it. Raja is my daddy. Yo, what a nice trade. I missed it, fam. Yeah, fam, you missed it, dog. Yeah, fam. You missed the trade, fam. Um, Too many lines. Yeah, too many lines. Like cocaine. Cocaine lines. Mac, do you work out? Do I work out every day? Yes, I work out every day, 5 days a week at least. Yes. Keep my mind busy and my body tired. That way I could go ahead and. Yeah, we've been basically watching paint dry, but gold has been moving, quite a bit, and it's about to hit that take profit that I had here. Was like, I think it was like 30 something pips. Remembers? I closed because I wasn't feeling comfortable with that. I got paper hands. But yeah, I think it should continue down and get that 1829, 1830. Mac, you ready to fight Daniel? Are you fucking crazy? I'll kill him. Bro, invite me to the stream. But Magic Keys V2 last week, I still have not received because it's not a. I don't know, man. Check the fucking tracking number, dog. I don't work for no fucking. I don't work for the USPS. Um, Mac will attack him. What the fuck? Email them. I still not. I don't know, man. Send me an email. I can maybe look into the tracking number for you. I bet. Well, my goal should have won. You guys are on mute. You should have kept holding. I should have kept holding, but yeah, it is what it is. I didn't want to hold. It's good, straight. I don't mind. What? What's that? Oh, nice. So you took my signal, you fucker. I'm fucking with you. Um, yeah, no, man. I wasn't comfortable with that, even though I knew it was, it was definitely gonna tap here. Problem was that, yeah, it's just that it was very, very slow, and I don't got patience for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, 9:30 gave us that extra push, guys. I think that was a good trade called. If you took that trade, go ahead and give a like to the stream. Fire trade. I think it was like, let me see what my entry was. What was the entry? if you remember. 1834. Ah, 1834. That was the entry. Yo, what the fuck? 1834. Bro. Oh no, it was like around here. So 1833 maybe? Yeah, that was the entry. 1833, right? Boom. So from 1833 down to this area here, 35 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh shit. Okay. 10 pips secured of the 30-minute Madison. Nice. Nice, girl. Uh, 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 uh. Lauren send me money so I can. What the fuck? Yo, you guys got me fucking tripping out today, man. Oh shit, this is a fucking comedy show. Wow, now if you keep holding gold, now that if we break, if we break underneath that area, then it's gone, so, But just be careful around here. I might just, if I were to be holding, I would just close my entire position at that point, or at least 80%. I need moderator status. I'll give you moderator if you donate. Give me a donation of $100 right now, and I'll make you. Mac laughed like he smoked 10 packs a day. Motherfucker. I don't even smoke cigarettes. Oh shit. Um, Waiting for that candle to close to join. What candle? This 30-minute candle to close? For what? To join what? Sales? No, 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 no. Ready. Look, listen. Listen, girl. Listen, Linda. The play is already played. Uh, don't get in it right now because there's this nasty 1830, 18, yeah, 31, 1830 area. And if we don't break under that, then you're fucked. And Rages, you're fucked, motherfucker. I'm gonna take your moderator status. Oh, shit. If I get moderator, can you take me out after? My lungs are fried. No, it's just that I have asthma. I have really bad asthma. That's why you have to stay focused. Yes. How much you got? You got it from gold? I only closed 7 pips. Uh, yeah, girl, how you gonna get in right now? Look at the move that already happened. Come on. If you get in right now, you're gonna make me look bad. How long is a timeout? A timeout is 120 seconds, so 2 minutes. I think. I don't know. I'm gonna put Rages in timeout right now. See how long it is. Ah. What are the largest volumes during nation session? Basically, 8 p.m., which is the Asian market open, and 9:30, which is the Shanghai Stock Exchange open. So 8 p.m. Eastern time and 9:30 Eastern time. So if you, holy shit, this motherfucker scared me. My channel started 5 months ago. My channel started at the end of December? No, January. So January, February, March, 3 months ago. Look at Lauren. Oh shit, it's 300 seconds. I forgot. Oh man, you got this guy's gonna go crazy. You won't be able to talk for fucking 300 seconds. You know what that is? Yes, Jerome, be safe, brother. Yeah, it wasn't like a really fast session, but the gold sales worked out. So whoever grabbed them, awesome, congrats, clap for you, happy for you. These are the session times. If you want to go ahead and notate them, take a screenshot of whatever. You gave the man blue balls for real. Oh fuck. Um. So Asian session, you got the Asian session, which is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pre-Asian, which is from 6 p.m. to 8. All spreads are still a little wider than normal. And then you got the China Stock Exchange Open or the Shanghai Stock Exchange Open, which is 9:30 Eastern Time. This is, yeah, it is Eastern Time. Semi needs to chill for a bit. Oh shit. He's looking for his left sock right now. Oh my god. Yeah, she's fucking Kleenex. Shit. Wasting socks. You guys are savages. Bunch of fucking savages. Hey, but that's good, that's good that if you're in a session that the volume is really slow, um, to talk shit that's not offensive, that everyone can agree to, you're not insulting everyone on a racist way or trying to be, demeaning, right? Um, Mac Reed, Raja is my daddy. These guys, you're gonna take over the NY session when Raja leaves? No, I don't think Rakil's gonna leave anytime soon. Um, but yeah, if he leaves for like a moment and he's not able to stream the New York session, yeah, I could do it. Why not? If I get the same love I'm getting here, yeah, why not? So yeah, you saw that rejection at 1830, Jasmine, or I think somebody else was talking about it. If you wanted to jump in at that uh, close, you would have been fucked. Pardon my language. But yeah, that was the trade, guys. Salim, did you close? Salim. Okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, perfect. That's what matters. You got it right on the right to the dot, right? Right on the rejection zone. Damn, I'm a fucking beast, bro. Look at that. Right on the fucking dot, motherfucker. Shit, dog. Do you guys Yeah, that would be the love of the daily candle. Don't pay mind to that guy, that high decibels guy. He's just trolling. He trolls me like that. He's cool people. I'm not cursing. Who the fuck is cursing? This guy called me a clown. Hey, this guy came back from timeout. This is insane. You got put on timeout 3 times. Yeah, it's extremely boring when you're trading alone, and it's a session like Asian session. What is your opinion on the Wix don't work Instagram? I think it's managed by a bunch of kids who don't get any pussy, and they're a bunch of idiots. Probably live in like London or something. Okay, so let's go back to Gbp Jpy, see what's going on here. I know it's been ranging a lot, so guys, just be safe. And if you want to put alerts, you just want to break above 153,800 or down to 153,500 for sales. Remember, you got a wick to get filled down here, which is on the daily as well as the 4 hour. If you get closed down here, boom. And the daily still open. Daily opened at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and then you have that wick to get filled. If we expect a breather, maybe a pullback down to maybe around somewhere around here to create some sort of support and continue up by decibels, motherfucker. And then as of gold right now, we got that trade from this break of 1833 down to 1829, which was good. And how do you get on the Zoom? You have to be part of Market Fluidity. I usually post the link on the on the Slack group. You have to be part of the inner circle. Um, this guy sent me. He's a trip, man. Oh fuck! You guys got me rolling right now. Sheesh. This came from this went from a decent trading stream to a Lauren and I work together. That's hot. Bro, you ain't got no respect. Oh my, oh shit. Where? Give me 1 second. Yeah, give me 1 second, cause right now, okay, now you see it. Okay, YouTube chat here, top chat. Okay, and what do I do? Live chat. Uh huh. Yeah. No, 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 it's good because I can see it since I'm the stream owner. Sometimes they get blocked because of language and whatnot. You have to like, yeah. So did I make you moderator? Yeah. So you can actually click where it says show message, and then it will show the message to like everyone else. But I can see it. If you say something like dick or dickhead like this, you'll get blocked, and then it gives you the option to show the message or delete it. Mm-hmm. Send me sending $1 for every inch. Oh, oh shit! No way! Oh man, this is funny, bro. Oh man, yo, my reputation of a trader just went down the fucking drain right now. Shit. Now people are gonna come to my stream just to like fucking gossip and talk about inches. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night for today. I think that gold trade was the highlight of the day, and all the talk from from the YouTube chat. So I want to go ahead and well, it's a lot of people to thank. Just I want to go ahead and say thank you everyone for showing up. Salim, thank you for showing up. Berner, if you're here still, thank you for showing up. Everyone else, Mitch, thank you for showing up. Oh, we got the girls in here. We got Jasmine and Lauren, and we got Semi the Simp. Semi Simp, thank you. Raja is my daddy. Who else? Who else? We got Trevor, and we got Raja is my daddy here saying thank you. And Semi the Simp again, thank you. I just woke up from Kenya. Good night. Logan, bye, bye. Rick, okay, who else? Anyone else here? Oh, Tony. And all the Simps, thank you. Thank you for simping. Simping is good, you know, we need Simps in life. Um, You could call me Sempedonian. And look at Jasmine is hitting on Raja is my daddy now with a heart. Thanks, Mackie from Benjamin. Saying Mac from JK. Show Gamer. See you next time. Lauren says thank you. Yo, thank you. Simpin is Simpin is pimpin' for real. And the moderator girls timeout for the Simps is fun. Yeah, they get off of that. You know, the more you put them on timeout, the more they're gonna like you, right? It's kind of like 50 Shades of Simp, 50 Shades of Timeout, you know. But yeah, guys, I want to go ahead and sing. And if you guys know any good Netflix show, go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram. Or if you find any good movies, let me know. Because I'm bored as fuck and I want to watch something.
Thanks, Max. See you Thursday, yeah?
Say what?
I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you, Max.
See you Thursday or tomorrow. No. Welcome, guys. Be safe, everyone, in the Zoom. Bye bye. Secure 15 pips on the runner. Perfect runner got stopped out. Well, it is what it is. You know, at least you secured, you know. On Rages, bye bye bye. Thanks for being a not so good moderator because you suck at it, but you know that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night.